How to copy and paste AutoCAD drawing on Microsoft Word. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily paste AutoCAD drawings on your Microsoft Word. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you are looking to go ahead and copy the drawings from your AutoCAD and paste it on Microsoft Word for documentation, this is how you do it. The first thing you need to do is copy your AutoCAD drawing. So go to your application and then simply you can just copy any drawing. So for example, I'm just gonna copy this image for now, but you can copy your entire drawing from AutoCAD's software. And once you have done that, what you need to do is go back to Microsoft Word, and here on the paste option, you'll find different options. So you're going to click on paste special, and here you have an option to choose the AutoCAD drawing if that is copied on your clipboard, and it will show up right there. So just click on that option. I've just copied a picture, but I'm just going to click right here. Now click on OK, and then this image will be here on your Word. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.